はい、皆さんこんにちは。Welcome back to my channel. 日本語教師 YouTuber のかずえです。今日のトピックは How to address someone in front of you in Japanese です。はい。これ、私何度も言ってるんですけど、I said many times that Japanese you is not あなた。ね。Actually, the literal translation あなた yes, we have.But the usage is quite different. ね、それを覚えてほしいです。By the way, I have many lesson videos, so if you want to explore my previous lessons, please check the detail section below. ね、説明概要欄を見てくださいね。はい、じゃあ始めましょう。はい、How to address someone in front of you in Japanese. ね、So in English you have you, right? ね、あなた。But in Japanese,And even in English, you have other words like hey dude or bro or sis or whatever. たくさんありますよね。But most of the case is you, right? ね、日本語は違います。Japanese is different. Okay? There is a word あなた for you, but we hardly ever use it. ね、もちろん使うときもありますよ。Of course we use it, but、only limited cases.So, okay, so I'm gonna explain now. So, do you know how to address someone in front of you? You? We use the person's name. ね。例えば、for example, I'm talking to Mr. 山田。ね。山田さんと話をしています。ね、山田さん。山田さんはどう思う？ What do you think, 山田さん？ね。So, we use the someone's name. ね。Usually with san. ね。san is a suffix for the politeness. So it's something like Mr., Mrs., Miss. ね。で、it's regardless the gender. ね。男の人にも女の人にも san は使えます。ね。We can use san for male or female. And here's a common mistakes you have to remember. Okay. The san山田さん、佐藤さん、ジョンさん、whatever, さん is only put to someone else, ね、not myself, okay? I often hear that, 私はジョンさんです。It's wrong, okay? This sounds very, very silly, so please be careful. はい。あと、よく E メールとかメッセージとか、Dear John ね、ジョンさんへとか、or ジョン様。様 is a higher、suffix ね、like honoral、suffix ですね。We use for the customer とか、ビジネスの取引とか、に使います。Anyway, so son is addressing to someone else. ね。Then,Dear John さん、ジョンさんへ。ね。Then,at the end of the、message, we say from かずえ。ね。my name かずえですね。はい。But I see many messages, email reply that from John さん。これ本当によく見るんですよ。I see so many times. Don't put son to oneself. Okay? Don't put son to yourself. Okay? ね。Only son is to addressing someone. ね。はい。Okay, so we use name plus son when you address someone else in front of you, ね、instead of あなた、ね。So, when we use あなたあなたは、そうですね、talking to someone who don't know. Maybe I'm talking to you. So, あなたはどう思いますか？ It's reasonable. ね。わかりますよね。Understand, right? To someone who cannot see right now, like in the internet, like a webinar, ね。皆さんはとか、あなたは、ね。皆さん is more like everyone, plural. ね。あなた is directly to each of you います。ね。あとは、if, okay, sometimes in the conversation between friends, but,Maybe the situation is not so close. ね。In the occasion that it's not like friends. Okay? In that case, we sometimes use あなた。 ね。But when I was addressed, someone told me, あなた, I feel not that so nice because sounds very distant. とか、あと夫婦でも、even the wife and the husband talking each other is kind of angry emotion. あなたはどうなの? How about you? So it's kind of angry moment we use it. So we thought we are friends and then talk, 佐藤さんはとか、和江ちゃんはどうとか、ちゃんとかさんとか、it's very, very close ね、relationship. But suddenly, maybe kind of angry and then, あなたはどうなのなります。ね。So we switch the addressing style, someone's son, to あなた. That means not nice. ね。Please remember. はい。あとはね、very, very limited occasion, like in the classroom, the teacher asked the student, あなたは because it's めんどくさい kind of bothersome to explain that the usage that Japanese use あなた is different from the English あなた so teachers sometimes use あなたはbut actually it's not nice ね it's because it's not correct はいそれとあと怒ってるシチュエーションだったら in the angry situation we use the お前it's very bad so please don't use it But in the drama or maybe the anime or manga, you might hear that お前, right? お前 is like from like 見下してるね looking down someone お前はとかあとは maybe very very close couples 俺とお前とか言いますよね俺 is I for the guy by the who think oneself cool. But anyway, 俺とお前とかね。So, お前、あと、maybe the friends very, very close each other. お前は What do you think? 言いますね。でも、あんまりいい言葉ではないので、使わない方がいいと思います。Especially for the first time. ね。If you are very, very new, move to Japan and、in the few months, you better not use お前 because people won't like you. Anyway, so, あなたとかお前とか、あと、君ってあるんですよ。君はどう思う？君は、これね、これも very, very close friends each other. Usually we say someone's name or nickname, amongst friends. でも、君はっていうこともあります。Sometimes we use 君。Also, maybe the senior people call someone to the subordinate. ね、君は言うことがあります。ね、They might use 君 to the subordinate. ね、addressing you. ね、君。ね、はい。あとは、職業。ね、オキュペーションで違ったりもします。ね、特に、司業と言われる方ですね。これ漢字で司業って書くんですけれども、なんだろう、なんか lawyer とか、士は弁護士とか会計士、あとは doctors ね、メディカルドクターとか、ね、そういう人たち、あと teacher ね、は先生と呼びます。ね、Instead of using the someone's name, we call, address the person 先生。ね、先生はどう思われますか？ What do you think, teacher? ね、lawyer, accountants, teachers, doctors, ね、those kind of people, as an occupation, we call the person 先生。ね、はい、面白いですね。はい、Okay, that's all. ね、today's lesson, we learned how to address someone in front of you in Japanese でした。ね、So you know that we don't use あなた、okay? ね、あなた is quite limited situation we use. ね、So it's not exactly the same as you. ね、We use someone's name plus son and don't put the son to oneself. And there's some other word like お前 but don't use it, very vulgar. And 君 is very, very close, right? とか、あとは senior people to the subordinate and 先生ね。 はい。I hope you enjoy this lesson. If you like, please sum up. Please check my other videos in description sections. 見てください。あと、Patreon 始めました。If you like, please join us. And I also run the Facebook page and do the Facebook lives. So please follow me. If you could support me, that would be very, very wonderful on the Patreon. はい。あと、there's some benefit for the Patreon, so please check the website. もしよければ、このチャンネルを登録してくれたら嬉しいです。Please subscribe my channel. That would be wonderful. Okay, again, thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video. 次のビデオで会いましょう。じゃあまたね。バイバイ。